Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about Housing Connect and how you can apply and what are the qualifications, okay? So I'm going to go back to Google. I'm going to type in Housing Connect. Click on it. Just waiting for it to load. And here we go. So today I'm not going to log in. I'm just going to talk about the About section of New York City Housing Connect. So let's go to About, click on it. And the first thing that you see is About New York City Housing Connect. So we're going to click on it and it's going to give us some information here. So the first thing we see about New York City Housing Connect. To your right side, you will see where it says income, and then, there's a circle like a pie, and it's 1/3 or less for rent, or everything else is 2/3 or more for rent. So let's read this. It says New York City Housing Connect is your portal to find and apply for affordable housing opportunities in New York City. What is Affordable Housing Connect? Or what is affordable housing? Housing is considered affordable if it costs about 1/3 or less of what the people living there get in income. The New York City Department of Housing Preservation and Development, HPD, and Housing Development Corporation, HDC, create affordable housing opportunities for many household income levels and sizes. The buildings are privately owned. HPD and HDC have a monitoring and oversight role. Okay, let's continue reading. There are rental and home ownership opportunities. Rentals are regulated, so the rent can't go up too much over time. So they're saying, let's just say you've been living there for 2 years, 3 years. They may increase the rent, but just a little bit. They can't overdo it. The prices can't get extremely high. And I guess it has a lot to do with the building that you're living in. Okay. So there are rental and home ownership opportunities. Rentals are regulated, so the rent can't go up too much over time. So they're talking about the condos, the co-ops, and the 1 to 4 family homes have restricted prices. So how does Housing Connect work? Through Housing Connect, you can find and apply for affordable rental and home ownership opportunities. To qualify, your household must meet the income and size requirements for a unit, which is an apartment in the affordable development. Your household is all of the people who will live in the affordable unit. There are two ways to access opportunities in Housing Connect. It is a good idea to do both. Number one says apply to developments with open lotteries. And says these are new and recently renovated buildings. Number two says click yes that you wish to be considered for re-rentals or resales. This question is in re-rentals and resales section. These are individual affordable units that become available when someone moves out. Okay, so let's scroll down. And right here in this section is a video. And as you can see, you can hit play. So I will play it for you. So let's just watch. Oh, and the good thing about this, there is a man in the corner that is doing sign language. So this is nice for the deaf or the impaired. Okay, so let's watch.
Are you looking for housing that you can afford? Check out NYC Housing Connect. It's your online portal to find and apply for affordable rental and homeownership opportunities across New York City. Explore the portal at nyc.gov/housingconnect. HPD and HDC finance the homes on Housing Connect, making them available to households of many income levels and sizes. And rentals are regulated, so the rent can't go up too much over time. To qualify for a unit, your household, including all people who will live there, must meet the income and size requirements. Housing is considered affordable if it costs about 1/3 or less of your household income. To ensure fairness and equality, qualified applicants are chosen through a randomized lottery system. Ready to apply? Get started by creating an account on Housing Connect. Once you register, you'll provide information about everyone in your household, including income, assets, and disability status. Your household income needs to be in a specific range to qualify, or you may need a voucher to cover the rent. Since this info determines your eligibility, remember to keep it up to date. After providing household info, you can choose to be considered for re-rentals or resales in the Housing Choices section of your profile. These are existing affordable units that become available when someone moves out. You can't search for re-rental opportunities like other lotteries, but if you click yes, you can be randomly selected for re-rental or resale opportunities that appear to match your profile. So it's generally a good idea to say yes. Now you're ready to apply. Head over to the Open Lotteries page. You can filter the Open Lotteries page to narrow your search results. Every listing shows how many homes are available, occupancy limits, qualifying income range, and the application deadline. Applying online is easy. Just click the Apply Now button, but be sure your household information is complete and up to date before doing so. If you can't use the Housing Connect website, follow the directions on the advertisement to request a paper application to be mailed to you. Make sure you don't send both paper and online applications because this will disqualify you. The application period can last from a few weeks to a couple of months, so make sure to apply before the deadline. Once you apply, your application is randomized with everyone else who applied. Your chances are the same, whether you apply by paper or online. After the deadline, all applications, paper and online, go into a computer system, which gives a random number to each application. This is your log number. Lotteries receive many applications, and it can take some time after the deadline to process your application. You may hear back sooner if you receive a low log number, or if you meet one or more of the preferences. If you have a high log number, you are less likely to hear back. After applying, keep checking your Housing Connect dashboard to see the status of all applications you've submitted. If your application is selected, you'll be asked to upload and share documents like personal ID and pay stubs, which will be used to confirm your eligibility. You'll also be asked to complete a credit check or provide proof of rental history. If everything checks out and there is a unit available, your application will be approved. If you don't meet the eligibility criteria, you may get a rejection notice explaining why you don't qualify. The notice will also explain how you can appeal the decision if you think it was incorrect. Don't get discouraged if you aren't selected or don't hear back. There are always new opportunities appearing on Housing Connect. So keep searching and applying. Want to learn more? We covered a lot of ground in this video, but you'll find even more useful information and resources on our About and Learn pages at nyc.gov/housingconnect. Make sure to check them out.
Okay, guys, so that was the end. And I'm going to continue with the rest of the video. So I'm going to stop here and come back. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my video. Make sure you stay tuned for the second part. This may be several parts because I don't want the video to be like 50 minutes long. Okay, see you in the next one.